In our team coverage tonight in Virginia Beach, where that snow is falling pretty hard. That is where we find 10 on your side's Ethan Kraus. Ethan, you've been there all day. You've been at it with that winter coverage. What's the latest now?
Yeah, Karina, the good news is things have calmed down largely in terms of the snowfall here at Virginia Beach Town Center, but that wind is still howling. I'll go ahead and get out of the way. You can see visibility has definitely improved a bit in the last hour. That is not as much of an issue. What remains an issue, though, is the snow sticking to the roads, sticking to the pavement. You can see just below us how much it is sticking to those roads. Drivers continuing to drop those speeds down, driving as carefully as possible as this winter storm continues to roll through. The flurries began to drop just after 6 o'clock. By 7, there was a light dusting on the ground. By 8, a layer of white all around us. Not only did the snow arrive, but it brought the winds with it.
Well, I'm visiting and it's snow and
She's visiting from Texas, so it's different for her to see it in Virginia, especially Virginia Beach. But I feel like we're in a Hallmark movie right now.
Sade, Sanette, and Christina had a message to those out on the roads during the storm.
Drive slow. No matter what, it doesn't matter what's going around, just drive slow, take your time, because it can get unsafe from there.
And it can get unsafe, especially you don't know how to drive in the snow.
The wind is like blowing right now, so go very slow and, just be aware of your surroundings for sure.
Yeah.
One driver drove from Norfolk to Virginia Beach and says road conditions are looking rougher by the hour.
A lot of people had their hazard lights on, just being cautious. Could be very scary for some people who never driven in this. I would say drive very slow unless you're a professional. Stay safe, stay warm, and stay blessed.
As you heard them all say, those road conditions continue to look rough as we head further into this night. So please stay off the roads as much as you can. And if you do absolutely need to be out there, be sure to drop those speeds down. Drive safe, drive careful, and stay warm. Live in Virginia Beach, Ethan Kraus, 10 on your side.